Is there a room to let in?
Yes, come in. I have the third floor bag written since a week back. Should you wish to look at it?
Oh yes, for sure.
This is a room. It is a nice room. It is open kitchen. I had some most allergic people in this last summer. No trouble at all. And paid in advance to the maid. The water's at the end of the pool. Sprawl and money keep it 3 months. 3 months. They don't feel sketch. Miss Prata Sproul, you may have heard of her. Right over there, the dresses is where the marriage certificate had. Frame the guest is here, and you see there's a plenty of clothes room. It is room everybody likes. It's never stay idle long.
Do you have many theatrical people coming in?
They comes and go. A good proportion of lodgers is connected with the theater. Yes, sir. This is a theatrical district. Actor people never stay long everywhere. I get my share. Yes, they comes and goes.
Okay, I'll take it. And since I'm kind of tired, I'll move right in. How much do I owe you?
That'd be $250 for the upcoming week. The room is pretty open to towels and water.
Can you tell me something before you go? The young girl, Miss Vashner, Miss Eloy Vashner. Do you remember such a one among your lodgers? She would be singing on the stage, most likely a fair girl of medium height and slender, with reddish gold hair and dark mole near her left eyebrow.
No, I don't remember the name. Them stage people has names they change as often as their go. They comes and they goes. No, I don't call them that to mine.
No, always no. 5 months of ceaseless interrogation and the inevitable negative. So much time spent by day in questioning managers, agents, school and choruses. By night among the audience of theaters, from all-star cast down to music hall so low that I dread to find what I most hope for. Where can you be? Sure, but I love you so much. Wherever can you be, my darling? What, dear? She's been in this room. She has. I know it. It's her mignonette. She loved that other, made it herself.
She was in that room.
I'm sure of it. I smelled her mignonette as though she had just been there just 5 minutes before. I also found these hairpins. It seemed she wore a million of these in her hair to hold it up, you know.
But why wouldn't the landlady have remembered?
You got me there, fellow. But as she said, these theatrical people come and go so fast. I suppose it's possible just not to remember. It's so strange, you know, but when I smelled that odor, I heard her voice calling me. I tried to answer, but I couldn't. But she just kept calling and calling. Hey, you! No, I'm sorry.
Come back! Come back!
What, dear? Are you speaking to me? Oh, where are you? Oh, am I going to be met? I must find her. I know she has been in this room. Damn it, she has. Will you tell me, madam, who occupied the room I have before I came?
Yes, sir. I can tell you again. 'Twas Pearl and Money as I said. Miss Bretta Sport it was in the theaters, but Mrs. Money she was. My house is well known for Respectability, the marriage certificate hang from on a nail over.
What kind of a lady was Miss Browell? In looks, I mean.
Why? Black hair, short, and south. With a comical face. They left week ago to stay.
And before they occupied it?
Why? There was a single gentleman connected with the drying business. He left all me away. Before him was Mrs. Credit and her 2 children. They stayed for months. They was back a year, sir and father, I do not remember.
Okay, thank you, I guess.
Third floor back this evening. A young man took him. He went up to bed 2 hours ago.
Now, did you, Mrs. Purdy, ma'am? You do a wonder for 10 rooms of that kind. Did you tell him then?
Rooms are furnished for the rent. I didn't tell him, Mrs. McCool.
This right you, ma'am. These pirating rooms we keep alive. You have the real sense for business, ma'am. There'd be many people will reject the return of a room if they be told a suicide by being has been after dying in.
As you say, we has our living to make it.
Yes, ma'am, that's true. This just 1 week ago. This day I helped you lay out the 3rd floor bed. A pretty slip of a colon. She was to be killing herself with the gas. A sweat on her face. She had Mr. Purdy, ma'am.
She's been called handsome, as you say. But for the mall, she had a frowning by her left eyebrow. Do fill up your glasses again, Mrs. McCall.